The Forbes 12 Plus is a great new model from MDC aimed at the small-sized family who want a serious off-road caravan. Being lightweight with a full queen-size bed and a bunk, it could be just the thing you're looking for. This great-looking van is lightweight with a tear weight under 2 tonne. Built on the proven MDC chassis, the body is built with welded aluminium frame and bonded composite panel, making it extremely strong. For strength and durability, MDC caravans are built with some of the most modern technologies available. One is a welded aluminium frame made out of square tube section. It's fully welded, and then the inner and outer skins of the walls are then bonded onto the aluminium frame using high-tech polyurethane. This is cutting-edge technology used in bullet trains, buses and trucks. Extremely strong, there's nothing to rot, and it will last a lifetime. There's no shortage of great features in the Forbes 12 Plus. An electric awning is standard. The awning can also be converted into an enclosed annex with the awning wall and floor kit that comes complementary with the Forbes 12 Plus. The kitchen is a gourmet's delight with high BTU burners and auto ignition. A kitchen surround for windy conditions that doubles as a drying rack, and hot and cold water plumbed to the sink. A pantry drawer right beside the kitchen takes care of storage for cooking needs, and utensils can be kept in the cutlery drawer beneath. Within easy reach is a great pantry built into the body that can be accessed from both inside and outside the van. The front storage box is a leader in its class of caravan, with a huge fridge slide to carry the popular family-sized fridges. On the opposite side is a large storage area, and on top a large flat space for poles and longer items. Inside the van is a generous sized ensuite with shower and toilet, making off-grid camping a pleasure. The 14-litre Truma hot water system provides hot water at the flick of a switch. The inner spring queen-size mattress is 200mm thick with a comfy pillow top for a great night's sleep. The bunk bed is fitted with a sturdy ladder and safety rails to provide a sound and safe night's sleep for your loved one. The bunk can be folded away and ladder removed to make use of the dinette. For comfort on cold nights, the Forbes 12 Plus is fitted with a diesel heater as standard. For hot summer days, you can choose your van to be supplied with the optional Dometic air conditioner to make your new Forbes 12 Plus an all-year-round pleasure to camp in. The clever use of storage space in this van ensures you can take all the necessary items for camping comfort. There is plenty of power too, with 3 100 Ah batteries powered by the 300-watt roof-mounted solar system. Power management is taken care of with a Projector IDC25 controller, which also manages the power input from your tow vehicle via the 50-amp Anderson plug. If you're connecting to mains or generator power, the Projector 7-stage charger will charge and condition your batteries quickly and continuously. All these great features are built on the trusted and tested MDC chassis and off-road suspension package. The chassis is fully engineered in SolidWorks to ensure it is strong and durable. Fitted with MDC's coil-sprung trailing arm suspension and twin shock absorbers, you're ready to tackle the wilds of the Australian outback with absolute confidence. At MDC, we're very proud of the Forbes 12 Plus. Lightweight, packed full of features and off-road ready for your next adventure. For more information, head into one of our stores nationwide or go to marketdirect.com.au.